Okay, so we are going to start our Linux here, and we're going to make sure our Windows is up. And the first thing I wanted to demonstrate was the netstat command. So if we go to Microsoft Edge, and is this Microsoft Edge? Yes, it is. It should be, anyways. Yes, it is the Microsoft Edge, and you might think that there is one or two connections, but each one of these images is another connection. So we can go to our command line interface right here, and we can just type in netstat, and that shows you a list of all the TCP connections. Okay, and there's another command, and there's other things you can do here that actually shows you not only the TCP connections but the UDP connections, and you can see that the source IP address is all 192.168.1.6, and these are different port numbers. There's destination and source port numbers, so these would be source ports. And we can see that the IP and a source IP and port are sockets. So these are different sockets emanating from the same IP address. Now here we're going to go to for our Linux. We're going to our server right there, and we are going to start. Again, we're going to make sure that our IP address is 192.168.1.94, and we are going to start our web server, the Python 3 web server. Okay, and we are going to do the netstat. We're going to create a new window, and we're going to do a netstat-ano. And there's all our different connections, and we can do a netstat ANO for and we can filter for 8,000, and we can see that there really isn't anything going on. So let's change it. On this end, on the left side, we are going to the IP address that this is, and before I do that, let me just bring this over, and we can go to http:// oh, let's see what is going on here. Okay, http //192.168.1.94 with a port of 8,000 right here. Click enter. And nothing happened. So let's try this again. HTTP. Let's see, 192. Here, let's click on this. Okay, so now we are in. We have made the insecure connection to the server on this end, and we can see right off the bat, we can see that we have a connection under here. It shows it. Now let's search for netstat on this side. Okay, and let's do netstat-ano grep 8,000, and we can see all the connections that are made to this as a server. Okay, and this does just have the plain old netstat connections. Okay.